Tamil Nadu is the dash largest state by area wise in India. Answer D. 11th. In which year the Madras state was renamed as Tamil Nadu? Answer D. 1969. Who was the first chief minister after it was renamed as Tamil Nadu? Answer B. C.N. Annadurai. Which one is recognized as state fruit in Tamil Nadu? Answer A. Jackfruit. Which one is the longest ruling dynasties in Tamil Nadu? Answer B. Chola dynasty. How many UNESCO World Heritage Sites are located in Tamil Nadu? Answer C. 8. Total number of districts in Tamil Nadu? Answer B. 32. Which one is the largest district by population in Tamil Nadu? Answer D. Chennai. Which one is the largest district by area wise in Tamil Nadu? Answer A. Villupuram. Meenakshi Amman temple is located in the bank of the river. Answer D. Vegai river. On which day of the Pongal the Jallikattu bull fight was played? Answer C. Mattu Pongal. Which temple has the longest corridor in India? Answer A. Ramnath Swami Temple. Which one is the first regular newspaper in Tamil language? Answer C. Sadvesh Metram. The Hindu newspaper was founded in the year. Answer B. 1878. The first silent Tamil movie Kichaka Vadham was released in the year. Answer C. 1918. The St. George Fort was built in the year. Answer A. 1644. Tamil Nadu is the major producer of. Answer D. Sugar cane. Which one is the state bird of Tamil Nadu? Answer B. Emerald dove. V.O. Chidambaram found the Swadeshi Steam Navigation Company to operate between Tuticorin and. Answer A. Sri Lanka. In which district the Toda tribes found in? Answer C. The Nilgiris. In which hills is the Killi waterfall located? Answer A. Sherwa Roy. In which year was the Namakkal district formulated? Answer B. 1997. Tirupur Kumaran died in the year. Answer D. 1932. The Chola dynasty was an ancient Tamil kingdom along the bank of the river. Answer A. Kaveri. Udaygiri Fort is located in. Answer C. Kanyakumari. Santhanur Dam is constructed across which river? Answer C. Penayar River. How many major harbors are there in Tamil Nadu? Answer B. 3. The Madura mission was established in the year. Answer D. 1606. The place known as the egg basket of Tamil Nadu is. Answer D. Namakkal. Who built the Sitnavsal cave temple? Answer A. Pallavas. When Tamil usages and instructional language in Tamil Nadu colleges? Answer C. 1968. Which of the following was called as Dandi of Tamil Nadu? Answer B. Vedanariam. Who first translated Mahabharata into Tamil? Answer A. Parandevanar. Which of the following is the author of Tamil Ramayana? Answer D. Kamban. For which one of the following items Tirupur is well known as a huge exporter to many parts of the world? Answer A. Knitted garments. The Madras Native Association was established in the year. Answer B. 1849. The author of the book Tamil Nadu, the land of Vedas is. Answer A. R. Nagaswamy. Tamil Isi Sangam was established at Madras by. Answer B. Sir Annamalai Chettiar. Chinese pilgrim Yuan Chuang visited Kanchi in. Answer B. AD 640. The word Valanchium in Chola period means. Answer B. Merchant group. In which year seats were reserved for women in local bodies in Tamil Nadu? Answer C. 1994. Tamil Nadu is a major producer of. Answer D. Sugarcane. Which queen is also known as Veeramangi brave woman? Answer D. Vilu Nachiyar. The rapid transit system in Tamil Nadu is located in. Answer C. Chennai. Total geographical area of Tamil Nadu is. Answer B. 1,30,058 square kilometer. Which one is the longest river in Tamil Nadu? Answer A. Kaveri. Malapperia dispute is between Tamil Nadu and. Answer C. Kerala. Botanical Survey of India is located in Tamil Nadu at. Answer C. Coimbatore.